Welcome to Audit Explorer, where numbers meet entertainment. Today, we're going to unravel the secrets of audit procedures, Bollywood style. So, what exactly are audit procedures? Well, think of them as dance moves that auditors perform to ensure financial accuracy, just like Bollywood dance steps. Now, let's talk about the different types of audit procedures, starting with risk assessment procedures. Risk assessment procedures are like a Bollywood script. They set the stage by identifying potential risks that could affect financial statements. Just like in a movie, auditors work closely with their clients, playing the role of the hero, to understand the plot and anticipate any challenges that might arise. Picture this: the auditor is the hero, the client is the director, and together, they create a blockbuster financial statement. Next, we have the other procedures, which include test of controls and substantive audit procedures. Test of controls is like a choreographer making sure everyone follows the dance steps correctly, ensuring internal controls are in place. It's like the hero's entourage, making sure everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. By testing controls, auditors ensure that financial transactions are being properly authorized, recorded, and processed. It's like checking if all the dance moves are perfectly synchronized. And now, let's move on to the substantive audit procedures, the real showstoppers. Substantive audit procedures come in two flavors: test of details and analytical procedures. Test of details is like a detective searching for clues. It involves examining individual transactions to ensure accuracy and completeness. Just like a Bollywood detective, auditors meticulously investigate financial records, invoices, and receipts, leaving no stone unturned. This rigorous examination helps auditors catch any discrepancies and ensure that the financial statements truly reflect the reality of the business. On the other hand, analytical procedures are like background dancers. They analyze trends, ratios, and other financial data to detect any irregularities. Just like background dancers elevate the energy and beauty of a Bollywood dance sequence, analytical procedures enhance the auditor's understanding of the financial picture. By comparing current financial data with historical figures and industry benchmarks, auditors can spot any deviations, just like Bollywood fans notice when a dance move doesn't fit the rhythm. And there you have it, folks. Audit procedures are the Bollywood magic that brings financial statements to life.